How to fix DeepSeek server busy error. Let's get started. If you're getting a DeepSeek server busy error, it likely means their servers are overloaded or experiencing high traffic. Here are some steps to fix or work around this issue. This error is often temporary. Wait a few minutes and try. Try at off-peak hours, late night or early morning. Refresh or restart the page. If you are using web interface, refresh the page. In case you are using the app, restart it. Likewise, look for official announcements on their website. Launch your preferred browser and then type in DeepSeek status. Now from here you will be able to find out if other people are also reporting the issue or not. Next up, you can clear cache and cookies. For that, navigate to your browser, click on the profile icon, click on the option settings. Now head over to the option privacy and safety. Then click on the option clear cookies, click on clear all, click on clear app history, click on clear all. Likewise, try using a VPN. If servers are regionally overloaded, switching to a VPN can help access less busy servers. So launch your app store, type in VPN and search for it. Now download any VPN and connect to it and select any of the region. Next, what you can do is try a different network. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Also, you can try a different browser such as Chrome, Firefox or Edge. As a last resort, what you can do is contact DeepSeek support. Check their official support channels or community forums. Following these steps, you might overcome the issue DeepSeek server busy error. At the end, if this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.